The Recovery Rebate Credit is what the IRS calls stimulus checks or economic impact payments at tax time. Most people that receive their stimulus checks either by direct deposit, by a check or debit card, have already received the full amount and they don't need to worry about the Recovery Rebate Credit. They've already gotten their money and you need to take no actions on your federal tax return. But if you are someone that either did not get the stimulus checks you were entitled to, either the first round or the second round, or you didn't get the full benefit amount, maybe you got the amount for an adult but not for a dependent child that you have in your household, then you will want to claim the Recovery Rebate Credit on your federal tax return. Again, this applies to people that maybe don't typically file a federal tax return. Maybe you're not required to because you don't meet the filing threshold. In this instance, you would have to file a federal tax return in order to get the Recovery Rebate Credit, aka your stimulus check. Now, the maximum economic impact payment or stimulus check was $1,200 per person and $500 per dependent child for the first round. It was $600 per person and $600 per dependent child the second time around. If you got partial payment in stimulus checks and you want to file for that Recovery Rebate Credit, you're first going to need to know the exact amount you have already received. Your Recovery Rebate Credit on your 2020 tax return will be reduced by that amount. So the total of what you've already received plus what you're claiming on your credit will equal those total amounts of what people are eligible for. Now, the IRS issued a press release helping to explain this math because they want to make sure people are getting all of the money that they're entitled to, but also want to remind people to be complete and accurate when you file your tax return. And they understand that this can be difficult just because of all the numbers floating around. So they offer assistance. First, they suggest you do this electronically. File your federal tax return online if you can. It will help make the math a little bit easier. Now, the IRS does offer what they call free file. It's a way to file your federal tax return for free. They also suggest some reputable tax preparers that could help, as well as some of the free taxpayer assistance sites, some of those VITA sites. And in the description below, we link to that IRS free file site, how to find one of the free taxpayer assistance centers, and there's a locator tool that can find one close to you. We also share more information on that Recovery Rebate Credit, more on the stimulus money and how the IRS is figuring those amounts, as well as the IRS's frequently asked questions page about Recovery Rebate Credits. One of those situations might apply to you.